This is limited attendance. Join me and Lee Boyd for a remarkable learning experience featuring clear aligners in the mixed as well as teenaged permanent dentition, September 19, 20, and 21, concluding Saturday at noon.
A very limited attendance meeting. What do you expect to gain from that session?
Obviously, Lee comes with a lot of experience, and I want to start doing this for my patients. And I have been in touch with Lee, what he is doing with his patients, and man, it's impressive. 10 years into practice, and I'm trying to evolve and grow in terms of the skill set that I have and the services I can provide. Learning the diagnosis, the traditional mechanics, it was really thrilling to see how it translates into the clear aligner therapy. Teeth are moved in very small fractions, I believe a quarter millimeter at a time. So getting from point A to B, things can't go bad quickly.
Phil, you're enrolled in our upcoming 2.5 day with Lee Boyd and with me. Again, a very limited attendance meeting. What do you expect to gain from that session?
You have a very great ability to curate great relationships between people. So I'm just excited to meet more people that are like-minded.
You're going to love this experience. Contact gnathosce@gmail.com.